morning, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube world. How you doing today? It is your overnight success story, this guy. And I am completing my dailies right now. It's a little after 8, probably 9 a.m. I'm excited to see where the day is going. So I just got a really cool idea okay, the park that I'm walking at, I mean, it's decent, you know. It's got a couple waterfalls. There's railings so that way you can go over and look at everything. I just had a really good idea to clean it up a little bit. And the reason why is because when I was in Boy Scouts, I was in Boy Scouts. When I was in Boy Scouts, hold on, ready? When I was in Boy Scouts, and don't worry, I graduated to Eagle Scout, or, you know, so that way you know. But I used to go on these excursions to clean up parks and to clean up little areas so that way people could enjoy the places around them. Now it looks like not a lot of people care about this park, and I need to go around and figure out what the name of the park is, but yeah, it's a nice park, and I think that if it gets cleaned up a little bit, then it'll be a lot prettier because of all the trash that's in the water and you know, around the edges. But you know, that's just my thought. I'm talking with this guy Anthony about cleaning up this park over here. So the park is named Miller Showers Park. Miller Showers Park. So I mean, if you're in Bloomington, it's kind of like right next to the Steak and Shake. Where is that? Right there? Yeah. So it's the name. Thought I'd find it for you because I care about you and I want you to know what the name is of the park that I might be cleaning with a couple people. So actually, if you're interested, you know, I think that'd be a really cool video, really cool thing to see people doing together. Yeah.